Global cybercrime costs. By 2025, cybercrime is expected to cost the world $10.5 trillion annually. Frequency of cyber attacks. A cyber attack occurs every 39 seconds on average. Data breaches. In 2023, the global average cost of a data breach reached $4.45 million. Ransomware attacks. Ransomware attacks are expected to occur every 11 seconds in 2024 and beyond. Phishing scams. Over 80% of reported security incidents are linked to phishing attacks. Human error. 95% of cybersecurity breaches are caused by human error. IoT devices vulnerability. There will be over 75 billion Internet of Things, or IoT devices by 2025, many lacking sufficient security. Healthcare industry attacks. Healthcare organizations are 3 times more likely to be targeted by cybercriminals. Cloud security risks. 79% of companies experienced a cloud data breach in the past 18 months. Average time to detect breach. It takes an average of 207 days to identify a data breach. Crypto-jacking surge. Crypto-jacking attacks increased by 850% from 2018 to 2022. Financial sector. The financial sector faces the highest cost from cybercrime, averaging $18.3 million per organization per year. Password issues. 81% of company data breaches involve weak or stolen passwords. Business email compromise, or BEC. BEC scams accounted for over $1.8 billion in losses in 2020. Small businesses vulnerability. 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses, yet only 14% are prepared to defend themselves. Cybersecurity workforce shortage. This is huge. There is an estimated 3.4 million cybersecurity job gap worldwide. Zero-day vulnerabilities. The number of zero-day vulnerabilities discovered reached an all-time high in 2022, with 66 unique exploits being found. Third-party breaches. 59% of companies experienced a data breach due to vulnerabilities within their third-party providers. GDPR fines. Companies violating the GDPR can face fines of up to €20 million or 4% of annual global turnover, whichever is higher. Okay, one more fact for the road. Since COVID-19 and the increase in staff working from home, the FBI have reported an increase of 300% in reported cybercrimes.
We think the figures shown here speak for themselves. Please stay very aware of all scams, phishing, and phone calls at home and within the workplace. You could be next. Thanks for watching a video from the G-Man channel today, and remember, you've been warned.